Look at these people enjoying life. Damn, man, but this is too many people, man. It's just too many people, some of them without a mask. Come on, ladies. Go ahead. Everybody's enjoying, man. Look at this place. Look at this. This little Beamer. Little side table, drinking a brewski. Motorcycles everywhere, man. It's pretty crazy. Look at this. Are you guys enjoying this little village? It's pretty cool, guys. It's like a family-oriented village. Very nice, very nice. Now we're gonna have a session of windy roads, but scenic roads. Look at these roads, guys. Enjoy it. Oh, look at this. It's pretty cool. Too windy, man. Jesus Christ. Oh, she lifts, bro. Oh, fuck, dude. Come on. No, man. I thought he was coming after me, man. You guys saw the cop right there? Slingshot. What's the purpose anyway? Vultures up there. Nobody's dead here, but oh shit. People here are cool, man. They know motorcycles, they ride motorcycles, and they let you pass, man, because they're cool. I just love putting gears without clutch. I love putting gears without a motherfucking clutch. Scenic place. Look at this, guys. Right by the water, guys. Look at this house. Shit, just threw my fishing pole over there. Maybe catch like a fucking bicycle wheel or something, but another part of town. Look at this. Pretty good though. Pretty dope. This is high living, bro. Never seen so many Porsches in my life. Look at those two right there.